How to use ScienceDirect. ScienceDirect is a platform providing access to scientific and medical journals and ebooks. The library doesn't subscribe to content in ScienceDirect, but there are over 3 million open access articles available. ScienceDirect can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the S tab. Type your search term in the search box. You can also search by publication title or author. Click on the search button. The results include suggested relevant publications. You can sort the results by relevance or publication date and set up an alert for new search results. You can refine the results by publication year, by article type, by publication title, by subject, or by language. To see only articles that you can read the full text, tick the box for open access. You can access a quick view of the abstract, extracts and figures. You can export the citation. You can select articles and download them. Click on the title to read the article. You can jump to a section of the article, share the article by email or social media, get the citation of the article, or get the permanent link to the article. You can also see related recommended articles. You have access to a PDF of the article, where you can download and print the article. You can browse the content by subject. There are 4 main subject areas, which are divided into further subjects. Choose one of the subjects to see the publication list. You can refine the list by a further subject area or by publication type. Make sure you scroll down and choose Open Access from under Access Type to only see publications you can read the full text. Click on the title to browse a journal, where you can access the issues or set up an alert for when new issues are published. You can search within the journal. There are help guides and videos available in the ScienceDirect Support Centre.